Hi, my name is Etopic. French onion soup recipe, soupe à l'oignon gratiné. In France, this standard bistro fare is served so frequently, it is simply referred to as gratinée. Ingredients: 1/2 ounce 1 tablespoon, 15 grams, butter. 2 tablespoon, 30 ml, olive oil. 4 large onions, about 1/2 lb 675 g, thinly sliced. 2 4 garlic cloves, finely chopped. 1/2 teaspoon, 2.5 ml, dried thyme. 2 tablespoon, 30 ml, plain flour. 4 fl ounce 1/2 cup, 125 ml, dry white wine. 31/3 pints 8 cups, 2 liters, chicken or beef stock. 2 tablespoon, 30 ml, brandy, optional. 6/8 thick slices French bread, toasted. 12 ounces, 340 grams, Gruyere or Emmental cheese, grated. Steps. Step 1. In a large heavy saucepan or flame-proof casserole, heat the butter and oil over a medium-high heat. Add the onions and cook for 10-12 minutes until they are softened and beginning to brown. Add the garlic, sugar, and thyme and continue cooking over a medium heat for 30-35 minutes until the onions are well browned, stirring frequently. Step 2. Sprinkle over the flour and stir until well blended. Stir in the white wine and stock and bring to the boil. Skim off any foam that rises to the surface, then reduce the heat and simmer gently for 45 minutes. Stir in the brandy, if using. Step 3. Preheat the grill. Rub each slice of toasted French bread with the garlic clove. Place 6 or 8 oven-proof soup bowls on a baking sheet and fill about 3/4 full with the onion soup. Step 4. Float a piece of toast in each bowl. Top with grated cheese, dividing it evenly, and grill about 15 cm/6 in from the heat for about 3-4 minutes until the cheese begins to melt and bubble. Preparation time, 15 minutes. Cook time, 1h 15 minutes. Ready time, 1h 30 minutes. Enjoy.